Hello everyone, let's start our worksheet. Chapter 8, Geography, Human Environment Interaction, the Tropical and Subtropical Region. Worksheet number 31. Yes, first question, MCQ. The place where river flows into another water body is called as the river mouth, mainstream, tributary, distributary. Yes, Gia?
Ma'am, river mouth.
Answer is river mouth, yes. The apartment-like house with the steeply slanting roofs built by the people of rainforest are called igloo, stilt house, huts, maloka. Yes, Avika?
Ma'am, fourth one, Maloka.
Maloka, right. The Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers delta is covered with the thick deciduous trees, mangrove forests, thick bamboo groves, coniferous tree. Yes, Rajal?
A mangrove forest.
Mangrove forest. The river that is known by different names in the different place is the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Hooghly. Yes, Anupriya?
Ma'am, answer is Brahmaputra, C part.
Brahmaputra. It is known in Tibet Tista river, and when it enter in the from Arunachal Pradesh in India, it is known as Brahmaputra river. The program initiated to conserve river Ganga. First, Namami Ganga, Har Har Ganga, Swachh Ganga, Clean Ganga. Yes, Vyan.
Ma'am, A part, Namani Ganga.
Namani Ganga. Yes. Now, next come to the next. I hope everyone take on sheet, worksheet. State whether the following statement are true or false. The temperate region lie very close to equator between 10° north to 10° south. Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, false.
It is false. It is tropical region. The Amazon stretches directly on the Tropic of Cancer, is characterized by cold and dry climate. Cold and dry climate. Yes, Rajal.
Ma'am, it's false.
It is false. People of the rainforest eat queen ants and insects. बोलिए. Yes, Avika. It is true. The tributary of Ganga Brahmaputra rivers together form a Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinents. Yes, Dhavanya. Jayavardhan.
True.
It is true. Blind dolphin formed in the fresh water of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Yes, Vivek. Dhavanya. It is true. Now move on next, Phillips. The dash are built on steep slope to create flat surface on which crop are grown. Anant. Swastik. Swastik. Terrace farming. In the fresh water of river Ganges and the Brahmaputra are variety of dolphin locally called dash in found. Yes, Avika. Yes. Sus, yes. Next. Dash are special plant that store water in their leaves, which are used by frog to dash. Yes, Jayavardhan. Sajal.
Ma'am, bromeliads, and ma'am, second blank is lay eggs.
Lay eggs. Numerous tributaries join Amazon River to form the dash. Yes, Vian.
Ma'am, numerous tributaries join the
Tributaries.
Amazon River to form the basin.
Kolkata is an important port on which river? Anshika.
They
On Hooghly River. Yes. One-horned rhinoceros is found in dash. Yes, Jayavardhan.
Brahmaputra plain.
Found in Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. Fine. Then now match the item in column A with the column B. The number of person live in 1 square kilometer of an area is known as Vian.
ma'am, Manioc or castle.
Number of
No,
person
sorry,
live,
ma'am.
Population.
density of population. Yes. A way of cultivating land. That is, which is very common in Amazon basin, rainforest. Yes, Rajal.
Ma'am, slash and burn.
Slash and burn cultivation. Large apartment like house known as yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, E option.
Yes, Maloka. The staple food of the people of rainforest. Yes, Travel.
Ma'am, C part.
Manico or Kasa. Save. Yes, small river that join the main river known as yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, the answer is a tributary.
Tributaries. Yes. I hope everyone marked on worksheet.